let me show you how we came about this trade so that you too will have a better understanding of it. Okay, but before I do that, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly subscribe to this channel right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. If you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. So guys, this is Gainex 1200. We're on 15 minutes time frame, okay? And this actually gave us a long trading opportunity, and I'm going to show you how we came up about this trade. It has just achieved our last TP right here. So I'm going to go to H1, okay? So after um confirming the trend signal, okay, I came back to H1, okay? And right here on H1, let me show you this. Okay, right here on H1, if you should notice, this actually went on downtrend and it got to this support zone, was unable to break out from there, so it went up and came down again. Okay, after that, okay, it actually gave us an uptrend signal at this point again, and of course it bought till it got to this region. Okay, so at that point it actually gave us the MSS, that is market structure shift, at this particular point, which is a kind of confirmation, although the indicator has already given us here, just because of this region we need to be double sure, so we have to wait for it to confirm it with the candle patterns. Okay, so it confirmed it, and we knew that it's going to tap down on this particular trend line, because right here is what I mean our point of interest. Okay, so we had our point of interest around there, and of course we allow this to get to that level, and we set our stop loss at this point. Okay, and of course we also had our entry point at this point, and it started right from there. And of course because of this we decided to pick up our last TP on that spot. That is our last TP. Remember, we are on 1 hour time frame, so this actually took like let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's 5 days for us to achieve all the TPs. Okay, so this is a very long trading opportunity, because it is a trend trading strategy. There are pullbacks in between, but we made a lot of profit at the end of it. Okay, so that is why it is important you have a lot of patience each time you are trying to analyze sometimes, except if you just want a fast trading opportunity. That is when you look for an opportunity at the lower time frame. Okay, so that is it. But when you have opportunities like this, a major one like this, then you should know that it's going to go for a very long time. So this has actually tapped into this resistance zone and even broke out above it. So let's see, will the uptrend continue, or will it switch back into a downtrend? This has actually got into this region. Okay, broke out from this resistance zone, and if you should notice, it has been up and it has been more of an uptrend than a downtrend, but it has not been able to break out from here. So you can see it selling, which is huge already. Okay, but let's see if it will break out from here. If it does not break out from here, okay, so we are looking at this region. Okay, so we are looking at this region. If it does not break out from here, then definitely it will go back down. Okay, and start all over again. Okay, when that happens, then that is going to be a very strong selling opportunity for us. So we are actually waiting for that to happen. Okay, so but this trade, this sell trade, is going on at the moment, and we are expecting to get to this region first. So before we can say, set up a new order right now, we need to wait for the next action on this particular one. So I can go to 15-minute time frame to start, and around there right now. But on 1 hour time frame, we need a pullback. We need the pullback. Okay, the pullback will give us a strong entry point if that happens. Okay, so you can see it right here on 15 minutes time frame. you can see that that little movement is actually huge on 15 minutes time frame. Check it out. The little movement we saw earlier is actually huge on 15 minute time frame. So it started from here and it has sold. So we are expecting it to get to this region. So even if you are trading this, okay, you can also trade this, guys. You can trade it if you want. Okay, so this is the way you do your analysis. If you had seen this right from the beginning, you come in at this spot, put your stop loss somewhere here or at the resistance zone, and you target this region. Okay, and you can see it has almost gotten there. So if it breaks out from here, then it's going to sell more, but I am expecting it to go back first to have that pullback. Then you can now set up your trade at that point. Then at that spot, you can now target. This time around, we will be targeting somewhere here. Okay, we will be targeting this region, this particular region. Sorry, you will be targeting this region. Okay, let's target this. Okay, so which means we will be targeting this if the pullback happens. Okay, so we are waiting for the pullback. Once the pullback happens, then you can go into the trade and target that spot. Okay, so let's see if I can come up with a good setup for you guys right from there. Okay, um let me try and bring this up. So let's say you come in, let's say it pulls back till it gets to this region. Maintain this as your stop loss. Okay, this will be your entry point. And of course, guys, I'm going to bring this down and take this up. Okay, so this is going to be your first TP, and your second TP should be somewhere here. Okay, and the third TP should be around here. So I'm still, since we have missed out on this, so I'm waiting for the pullback to happen. If the pullback happens, then you can readjust it to get the right entry point. Okay, but I am believing that this should also give us a good entry point if it gets to where I want it to get to. Okay, so this is going to be our final TP. Entry point, stop loss, TP1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so this is huge already. So this is huge already. So you can see this should be like one ratio, let's say 6 or thereabouts. Okay, so that is so amazing, guys. So this is a lot of profits already. Let's see. It is a lot of profit already. Okay, this is about 54,000 points. Okay, so that is it. So you guys can take advantage of this opportunity right away. If you are still in this trade, I expect you to get out around here. Okay, or you adjust your stop loss to somewhere here to lock up some part of your profits to see if it will break out from here and sell more. Okay, but if it pulls back and gives a sell signal right from there, then you can now come in, adjust your entry points, adjust your stop loss, and of course, you can now try to target all these TPs, okay? Because we are most likely to see a good selling opportunity right from there. So, guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly subscribe to this channel right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.